Yeah, we were marking. I talked to David.
Find a way of split it.
Yeah, more. It's not about make it quicker. It's about very.
This place here in which we are is my studio, and I try to see it as an inclusive part of the city. This studio, this laboratory, is not stepping out of Berlin and into the studio. This is very much stepping into Berlin and stepping a little bit closer into Berlin. I experiment a lot, which doesn't necessarily filter into a sort of end product, and the process or the progression of experimentation is often what we are trying to achieve rather than the end result. A studio is different and has its own life compared to what a museum is, which is obviously more the output of the studio, but then again also a museum or an exhibition in a museum is a laboratory, and one could say it's a different type of studio. This studio is not away from the world. This is a different version of what you have at the museum. This is a different version of what the city is like, and it's, you know, one could claim it's a model of reality.